Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's 11 possible.
Make it early, man.
10 then 10.
Yeah, 10 will be fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. No. Okay, we'll start.
Hmm.
Sure.
Shekhar, I was just trying that custom record form. So just one thing came to my mind. It said, for example, if we want to create what we call it as, we have multiple options and we have to select only one option. For example, what is the age group you belong to? And I have given eight options: 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50 to 60, like that.
Mhm.
So how to do that?
So you can create your list over here, right? I'll just show you. Okay. Let's say 10 to 20. Fine.
Yeah.
And then
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll keep on giving the options 10 to
20.
20. Yeah.
What happened? Oh, sorry. This is the internet. This is the value. 2, 20.
ID will populate automatically.
Sorry.
ID will populate automatically.
Yeah, yeah. That is system generated. Or you can have your own. Okay. For example, I'll say test one. Okay.
Okay.
This is system will take, but there should be no space. If I mark this space, no, that
Okay.
this one system will throw the error.
Okay.
Okay. You can say 10 to 20, 20 to 25.
Okay.
No, 5 just get 25 to 20. Like that you can.
Okay. Fine. This is 40. Yeah.
Like this you can do.
Okay. Mhm.
Then I'll just mark 50 to 60.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now once you have marked this, you have just save. You have to just save it,
Mhm.
and then you have to come to the custom record.
And there I need to select it, this list which I created.
Correct.
Age group.
Then here you have just the list record.
Age group list. Yeah.
If you want to see the value, if you want to add any more, you can do that kind of things, right? You want to create a new list over here. So that kind of things you can see. If you click here, it will give you the way to create the list over here. Also, you can do.
Here, I mean custom list.
Yeah, custom list you can create from here also. If you click on this one, you'll be able to create. Give the name and
Okay.
enter the value.
Okay, the same thing which we did on that list page, we can do
Right,
it from here also directly.
right, right.
Okay.
And then you can come here and say, I want this and so on. somewhere, let's say, family information or something like that. Somewhere.
But this will, okay, this will give, I mean, the customer will have to select a particular value from the list.
Right.
Okay. But he can select multiple value also, right?
No.
Okay.
For multi-select, you have to select that one multi-select field.
Okay, okay, okay. And Shaker, if we have to show it like, 1 minute. I mean, just wanted to know if that will be done technically or functionally.
What? Which one?
Like, we get some options, right? For example, what age group you belong, and then we have one option which has a round button, and then I mean all the options with the round button, and you have to just click on that. I Let me show.
Round button is what?
Let me show round box.
Means round box means you're talking about the kind of switch button or the
Yeah, the options. I
radio
mean,
button.
radio button. Yeah, no, not radio button actually. Yeah, I got it. I'm 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I was showing like this. If we have to show it like this.
Uh, okay, okay. So now this kind of things will not come over here, right? You'll be getting the field only.
Okay.
Okay. You are getting the field only that you have to select over here. And if this
Mhm.
kind of things are looking for, then you have to go with like the technical solution. Okay. You have to get a kind of quick data and different pages.
Okay, okay. Scripting. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how you created the list and then it was showing on the custom record. So all the options, I mean, we have created the custom list before that.
No,
All the option
no,
like customer, phone number.
no, no, no. What happened, for example? So you'll be getting the standard list also. For example, we have created this order number, right? This order number is not the custom list, right? How it is being pulling? This is pulling the standard all the things is from system, right? I have marked this customer as right. Okay, customer name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how this customer name is coming because it's like this is a standard Netsuite list actually.
Mm,
Okay, it's
okay.
pulling out from there. This
Mm-hmm.
product, this item list, this is the standard list actually.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have both kind of all the things will be listed over there, standard and the custom as well. So whatever
Okay.
you want, you can take from there.
So I mean if I'm using the Netsuite account for the first time, it's a fresh account. And if I go to record type and I choose the list, will it show something for the first time or it will be
No,
blank?
no, you are talking about this list, right?
No, not this list. Let's say custom record type. I'm creating a new field and I
No, no,
select
no,
the type
not
as
like that.
list.
So, see, actually, the thing like, okay, whether you have the, for example, you don't have the, initially when you'll be having NetSuite account, there will be no
Yeah.
custom record, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say
All
if
right.
you have created the custom record, you have created
Mm-hmm.
the field, and if you're trying to select the list, you'll be able to select the list of the standard only. Again, they may have the data, they may do not have the data, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
So
Okay.
based on yeah, accordingly you have to do that.
Yeah, if there is some data, then if I'm sharing the online form with the customer, he will be able to see the data if there is any. And if there is no
Yeah,
data,
so
he'll
it
not
depends
get.
like how you are, whether you want. For example, the field which we have created age group, right? This age group will
Yeah.
not be there on online form because we have not given over there, right? So it's not like all the fields should be there. You got
Yeah,
it? For
that's right.
example,
Yeah.
if I open this one,
Hmm.
if I open this one, so I have not given the age group. Age group will not come over here.
Yeah, right. We have not given yet.
We have created in our NetSuite, but we have not said okay that should be visible, like available on our
Uh,
form.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, because I mean, I was trying to, I mean, getting confused at how this thing is works. How, why it shows so many values when we
So the
select the
values are
type
there.
as.
Yeah, values are there. For example, if you come here, if you go to the list, how many lists we have? We have more than, I believe, see, the big list we have, right?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then we have the standard reports as well, the standard list as well.
Standard
Okay.
list, how to identify here?
No, so standard list like everything will be having the list, right? Okay, let's say
Okay.
contact. If I create a field contact here, so
Yeah.
I know in our NetSuite we have the contact record, right? If you come to list, relationship, and contacts, right?
Yeah.
We have the contact list actually over there. So
Okay.
this is a standard functionality. So if I want the list of the contact, I'll come here. I'll say new field. I'll say contact, and then I'll come here and say list record. You can select multiple list as well, and I'll say contact. This is the standard one. I know. Okay. And if you want to identify, just come here. If you go there, you will see we have the default selection, and we'll be having list of all the contacts over there. These all are
Okay.
the contacts.
Okay,
Okay, for
fine.
example, 1194, right? If I search
Yeah.
1194, 1194 is a contact.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
contact. So that's how it works. So list means it consists of all the things. For
Mm-hmm.
example, as I've shown you, right? So we have the customer. No, customer record is there. Customer is a list we have, right?
Yeah.
So we have taken this list over here. We have taken the standard one. Similarly, transactions. Similarly, the items.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, let me try one more thing here. Looking for one. Just looking for one solid like example to show you this functionality as well. Okay, I'll take one example to show this one as well. Okay, proper scenario which we got trying to is like okay, that is
Source list is service quality.
no. So basically, what we can do, we can let's say two lists we have, right? And we
Mm-hmm.
want to filter out data based on the we want to do the sourcing, right? So in that case, we can do such kind of thing. Okay, I'll give you one scenario. Okay, don't worry. I'll give you one scenario regarding this one.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check that. Yeah. Now let's say we, even though we have created this custom record, right? Even though we have created this custom record,
Yeah.
this custom record also we can filter, like use as a list somewhere else. Like for example, if you see, we have the uh, two records, right? We have two records over here. Now, if you want to fetch this custom record somewhere on the customer record, right? So
Okay.
that kind of things is also possible. How we can do that? So if you come here, list, relationship, and custom. Okay, fine. Now open any of the customer record. For example, this one. Yeah. Let this get now. Let's say here we want to create a field, and that field should consist of the value of the custom record, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you come here, go to, okay, let me customize it. New field. Now type here will be entering the type as list record, and we can have that RC project feedback.
Custom.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to check, we'll be getting two values. One is created from you and one by me, right?
Okay.
Okay, now I'll say link link feedback. Okay. Now where I want, I'll just save it customer record. Fine. Okay.
Custom. Okay.
And, okay, I'll just save it.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you refresh this one,
Yeah.
go to custom because we have that field under custom. Here we have,
Yeah.
right? So let's say I'm selecting this one.
Okay.
And I'll just save it. Okay, if you come here, go to custom. So we'll be getting the link as well. Okay, of that record. Here you can see. Okay.
Okay. So do we do such things in, I mean, real scenarios?
Yeah.
Okay. Just to
So
see, I mean, what feedback has been given by the customer.
not just feedback. This is the one scenario. Okay, there could be different scenario. For example, let's say as I told you, right? So we have defined the for the approval hierarchy, right? Or for any other purpose, we have created a record. Now that record we want to fetch on our any particular record sales order or anything, right? So this way we'll be able to do that. Okay,
Okay.
just give me a minute. Let me share one document. Okay, I'll show you if we have the exercise for this one. Just looking for the exercise for this customization. Customization you got right? Documents you have received, right?
No, no, I have not received any document.
Oh, really? Follow up with them, Sojan.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let me share my document. You can see my screen
No, not yet.
loading.
Mm, no. Yeah, now I think it's loading.
Okay.
I can see now.
Okay. So here we have the custom record overview, right?
Yeah.
Use case. A suggested use case is to track the course completed by any given employee which want to custom record to enter the course information, then link each courses to the employee record. The employee is the parent and the course information is child. Okay. Now what is the case scenario here? So this there is one requirement, right? Saying that
Yeah.
let's say whoever the employee joined the company, they have to
Mhm.
complete the some courses,
Okay.
right? Those courses are the custom records,
Okay.
and then link that courses custom record with the employee record.
Mhm.
So employee record will be parent, and this will be child.
Okay.
Okay. Now here you
Uh,
can see, you just try it, okay? Here it shows enable features, go to setup company, what are the features that we have to enable to use the custom record, okay? Then define the attributes behavior of the subtab that we talked about, okay?
okay.
Then you can have this employee course example, record type checkbox to consider, employee type,
Yeah.
choose one of the three options to meet your needs, the default to require customer custom record permission,
Mm-hmm.
all these things you can do.
Okay.
Add a custom field, some custom fields has been like need to be added,
Okay.
okay? So you can add those kind of things whatever required. Assigned permission and links, define the location users to access the custom record,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Yeah.
Permission defined level of access, okay? Link defined different centers of the custom record,
Mm-hmm.
permissions and all those things it will be covering accordingly.
Okay.
Add parent child field. We want to establish a one is to many relationship of or parent child association, right? We want
Yeah.
to edit the custom record and first do the following. At the top of the custom record, uncheck include name field, okay, that you can remove. We will
Mm-hmm.
now the least record type field that point the parent record,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
okay. So parent record means we can remove and we can select directly like, okay, so for example, the customers or the vendor partner, like, sorry, customers, employees, those kind of things we can select, okay.
Okay.
So like that
Okay.
we'll be able to do this. So here
Mm-hmm.
the given examples are there, okay. You can just go
Yeah.
through,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah. Sure. I'll go through it. I will try.
Yeah. Here you'll be getting the exercise as well for the
Okay.
customer
Okay. Okay.
record. Let's see, this is the company. Tag the tag the credit risk rating of each customers. Okay. Now we have to, so you can see the different use cases, right?
Okay. Okay.
You'll be able to see different use cases and the way you have to do it.
Okay.
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 Custom record best practices are also there, like what to and how to do.
Mm-hmm.
So this would really help.
Okay.
So again, I clicked on that. Okay, like that we can do. I'll share. Okay, I have shared with her. Okay, I should be sharing it.
Oh yeah. The document, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll check with Sojan. Yeah.
So there could be a different requirement to use the custom record, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now we'll talk about the safe searches.
Mm-hmm. And Shekhar, one more thing is this still I did not could not understand the utility of sourcing and filtering.
I'll tell you. Okay, let me get one proper scenario.
Okay.
Okay, I know that is pending. Today I thought like in, but like I have not taken any exact scenario to explain that one. Okay, so I'll
Okay.
take one example to show you.
Sure. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, that is for like on the like we can source the value from different record and we can do the use the filter as well. For example, okay, I'll take one example. Okay, properly, and I'll show you.
Yeah. Okay.
Instead of question record, any other record, I'll take here. Now, let's say, okay, we have a save search, right? We need to understand first what is the save search is. Save search is to find out the data to do the data mining from our system. There could be a different applications of save searches. For the reporting purpose, we can use for our dashboard reminder setups, all those kind of things for the scripting for these workflows. Okay, for triggering a mail, all numbers of various kind of scenarios we can consider.
Okay.
So now let's say we want to find out how many customers we have created in this year. Till now, how many customers we have created.
Okay.
Okay. If I want to find out how many customers has been created this one or we have got the customers this year, so what is the way how we can check it? So we can go and simply check the list search, save search, new search. Or I'll just tell you because just we want to have the search to identify, just get the list. We'll come to relationship, customers, and go to the search.
Okay.
Let's say they created this year within select the year, control F, this year. What you want under results, name, email ID, balance, deposit, etc. And let's say submit. Total we have 67 customers created this year. Okay.
Okay. So this will all be unique.
Yeah. So depends basically.
I mean,
Okay.
it can have duplicate values also, right?
Yeah, if you have created duplicate, then it will show duplicate, else not.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But in your system, the internal ID will be different for them.
Yeah, right. Customer name can be duplicate.
Yeah. Even the duplicate record from using the email, but it will show you over here whatever the you have created. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
Then
this
again,
is the
if
one.
it's a
Let's say
duplicate, we'll have to, yeah.
so. This is the one thing. Okay.
Hmm.
Forget about the duplicate for now.
Okay. Okay.
Let's say this is the one time like okay when I think I thought like okay I should check how many customers we have got this year right till now.
Mhm.
We have got this result. Now let's say this is something our target is now there is a one okay sales person or let's say from the salesperson okay he want to check every he have some target right every week you have to get at least 10 customers or 5 customers right
Okay.
no he want to get a kind of reminder or he want to get a kind of report where he can check go and check and check how many customers he have in last or this week right. So what we
Okay.
can do, we can create, we can convert this into a saved search. Saved search means the same search, but we are saving it now.
Okay.
Okay, we'll give the name as customer by week. Customer last week. Now date created. I'll change this to from this year. I'll just cancel it out. Let's remove this one and say within week, say last. Okay. Now I'll say remove all. We want to get the name of the customer, email ID of the customer,
Okay.
and date created. Okay. So this information we want. We'll scroll up and we will say save and run it. So in last week, we have not created any customer.
Okay.
So let me do it by monthly basis. Let's check if anything I can get. We have 12 customers created week, last month.
Okay.
Okay. So we have date created, timing, name of them,
Yeah.
and the email.
Okay.
Name are not coming because they could be a company as well. In results, you can add company name.
Okay.
Okay. This is better.
Okay.
You can remove this. So now we'll be able to get it. We are able to get it. Okay. Last month, how many customers we want? Let's say, for example, this is just showing for last month, right? I
Yeah.
want a kind of visibility where we can have the filters, some filters over here, from which we can filter it out from the range actually. Okay,
Okay.
what the range and should be able to write instead of every time coming here and modifying it. So what we can
Yeah.
do is we can go to the available filters and say date created in 7 run it. Now by default it is just showing for the last month, right?
Yeah.
But we have the option. We can change it now
Okay.
from here. Let's say if you want to check from August or let's say from last year August, we'll be able to check it. 79. Okay. If I want to check something, let's say anything that you want to do, right? You will be able to do that.
Okay.
For example, let's say I want to check the previous year, last year. We have 235 customers. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is helpful, right?
Right.
So you have created a single save search. Whenever you want, you can come to this search and you'll be able to. This is saved now in the system, right? So
Right.
you'll be able to search and you will be able to check it.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's say we want to pull out the customer record and check. For example, I'll open this one, any of the customer, let's say RC customer. So let's say we want to pull out the customers. which like who having this balance,
Yeah.
okay, greater than zero, okay,
Okay.
and want to highlight them if their balance is more than 5,000,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Now what we can do, for example, we can, I'll just modify this one only, okay, on this one, okay, I'll create a new search. You can come here and you can click on the new search. Control F, select for customer. I'll say balance is greater than zero.
Okay.
Okay. And in this results, I want name of the customer, or let's say company name, email ID, balance. This information I want. Okay. And we'll say if balance will be greater, then it should be like in descending order. Okay. The balance and descending order is two.
Okay.
Seven done. Now here we can see
Yeah, balance greater than zero. Right.
greater than zero, and this is in descending order, right?
Right. Yeah. 100, 100.
Even though if one have the 1.47, actually showing, right? Total, we have 43 customers in our system
Yeah.
where balance is greater than zero.
Correct. Yeah.
And one more scenario I told you, I want to highlight those which are having who are having balance greater than 5,000.
Balance
Okay,
greater than
so
5,000. Yeah. Right.
yeah, greater than 5,000. So
Okay.
that we have to follow up with them. Okay, so we can come here under highlight. We can say the condition is balance greater than 5,000. Inside a search, we are putting a search now.
Mm-hmm.
Then what will happen? Text color should be black.
Mm-hmm.
Background color should be something like this, and bold. It should be bold. Description here you can say, please follow up with his customer. Something kind of. Okay, if you want the image, you can have the image, right? Okay, you want to have the flag or something like that. Let's say red flag.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll just save and
Okay, this is greater than 5,000. Okay.
These are greater than 5,000. And if you come here, you can see text is coming as please follow up with this customer for the payment. Okay. So
Okay.
even though this, if you want on your dashboard, you can take this in dashboard. So this will help you to better understand the things, right?
Yeah.
So not just for this one, but let's say for many scenarios, we will be considering okay, numbers of scenario. So this is the one example where you can see like you can highlight it, you can have the filters available, you can put a conditions, okay, and all those kind of things could be done.
Okay.
Okay. Now, any question you have? On this one?
Yeah, I mean, we can do some other features also like group by or
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah, we'll be doing that.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically,
We can
Shaker, like in other ERPs, for example, people what do is they just write a query, for example, SQL
no
query,
no
and they
need to
get the
write a
data.
query here.
So here,
No need to write a query here. Okay.
yeah,
So all
okay.
things will be able to fetch from the. This is cloud based, right?
Yeah, right. Okay.
So you don't have to worry about all those things. And just even the if you have to write like SQL, okay, and then it's like formula and all. So that's easy. I'll share the documents, okay, with the numbers of the uh, things, okay,
Okay.
various scenarios,
Yeah.
okay. So those kind of things could be done. Even though if you want to group, you will be able to group over here. Now let's say if this one I want to pull it on our dashboard, okay, how we
Yeah.
can do that?
Yeah.
I'll just
And Shaker,
just
just one thing, this internal ID will, this column will always be showing.
yeah, this will be
Oh,
there. This will not show in only one case when I'll group it or something like that. Okay, if I group it, then it will not come. Okay. And if you want to see the show total, right? So total, if you want to see the total, then you can see at the bottom how much is the total balance
okay, fine.
with this customer. Okay, it will sum it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now, if I want this on my dashboard, I'll just edit this one. Click here, available as dashboard view. Save and run it. Come to a dashboard. Personalize, custom search. Take this one. Setup, customer by balance. How many results you want to show? 10 results at a time. Okay. Just if you want to change the name, you can change it over here and just save it. Now here it will be showing 10 results. See? And then you can just change it. Total we have 43, right?
Okay. So this customer by balance, okay, this is the name which we gave to our save search, right?
Right, right.
Okay.
Even though if you want to change, you can change it from here. Okay. For example, I'll say it
Oh, okay, okay. It's a label kind of thing. Yeah.
will be coming as
Testing.
testing.
Okay. Hmm.
So this kind of things you'll be able to do.
Okay.
Allow inline editing, no.
Yeah.
Drill down new page or import plate.
And I think Shaker, some, I mean, if couple of complex save searches where I'll be able to put it in my resume also, right? This is we have done.
No, 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 no need. Just because you have to just say, okay, you know the safe searches.
Okay.
That's sufficient actually. Okay. Yeah. So we'll talk about, okay, this is just starting. So basically we take like 2 days, 3 days for the safe searches. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll talk about. This is just one quick thing. Okay. It's big one.
Mhm.
Okay. Numbers of applications will be there.
Okay.
And tomorrow we'll be sitting for 2 hours now. Then I'll believe like we'll be having a better hands on this one. At least
Okay.
for 1.5 hours. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. 1.5 hours. Okay.
I'll plan for 2 hours. That
Two
depends on you.
hours. Two hours will be very long.
Okay, fine. We'll see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks. Bye.